Hello learners. Welcome to NEBOSH IGC tutorial, presented by 3S Life Safe Academy, a NEBOSH learning partner 1478. We shall look, topic of, the reason of managing and promoting health and safety in an organization, under the element 1 of NEBOSH IGC. What are the reasons of managing and promoting health and safety? The reason of managing and promoting health and safety in an organization are mainly classified under 3 reasons. 1. Moral reasons. 2. Social reasons or legal reasons. 3. Financial or economic reasons. Now we will see each reasons one by one. 1. Moral reasons. The International Labour Organization, ILO, estimates that globally some 2.3 million people die from work-related accidents or contract work-related diseases every year. There are around 270 million occupational accidents and 160 million victims of work-related illnesses annually. When health and safety is not managed and not promoted properly at workplace or at an organization, people get killed and suffered from injuries. People may suffer from terrible diseases which can have massive impact on them, their dependents, families, relatives, friends and colleagues. Such suffering shall not be acceptable morally in managing good health and safety. Management of an organization as employer, control the workplace, premises, equipment and working practices used by their workers to produce goods and services that the employer required from them. Therefore, good health and safety working conditions become a moral responsibility for an employer of an organization. In simple way, the moral reasons are supported by free from any occupational accident and disease at the workplace to all workers so that everyone returning home happily in healthy condition. This is right way to do the things rightly. This is a right for workers and society expectations. The moral responsibility is also a most important reason, because we all have an obligation not to cause harm to others, as well as employers will have a moral obligation toward their employees and others. Without moral responsibility taken by employers for their workers or employees, organization can't grow for longer, and therefore, the commitment made about moral responsibility by the employer helps employees to perform better and efficiently. In nutshell, moral responsibility is the ethical way of ensuring health and safety at workplace by the employer for respective workers and employees. Hope you must have understood the moral reasons and its importance. Now we will see 2. Social or legal reasons. Every employer has a duty to take care to each of their employees and others who might be affected by their undertaking, such as contractors and members of the public. The health and safety requires all duty holders to ensure, so far as is reasonably practicable, the safety, health and welfare of workers and members of the public, and to manage and conduct all work activities in such a way as to ensure their safety, health and welfare. This requires all who have this legal responsibility to be proactive in managing their safety, health and welfare responsibilities and deal with them in a systematic way. Legal guidelines help organizations to improve their safety and health performance by providing advice on how safety and health should be managed, and in the process help them to comply with their legal requirements. Therefore, employers must provide a safe place of work, including access and egress. Provide safe plant and equipment. Provide a safe system of work. Provide safe and competent fellow employees, and provide adequate levels of information, instruction, training and supervision, in short to recall, IITS. Now, we see 3. Financial or economic reasons. Poor occupational health and safety performance results in additional costs to an employer's. Poor occupational health and safety performance results in costs impact, financial, to an organization, due to injuries, ill health, fatalities, life loss, property loss and other nature of damages. This economical impact, financial loss, can significantly affect the financial resources of an organization, and in some cases an organization can get closed because of heavy losses incurred in poor occupational health and safety management systems. Finance is a backbone of any organization. If economical losses made due to injuries, ill health, fatalities, life loss, property loss and other nature of damages its market values and make the organization out of business within no time. We see financial benefits for implementing health and safety in an organization: high profitability, production efficiency, increased reputation of business, less insurance premium, less legal cost, reduced compensation, reduction in medical claims, reduce absenteeism, less sick leaves, awarding tender bidding, stakeholders' satisfaction. That means it helps an organization in multiple ways. Thanks for watching this video on the topic of the reason of managing and promoting health and safety in an organization. This tutorial video shall help you to prepare for NEBOSH IGC qualification. If you found this useful, please like, subscribe, and must share. We shall soon release our video 5 for the topic of various costs under the financial or economical reasons towards health and safety for an organization. Must watch and learn NEBOSH IGC tutorial.